Princess Beatrice and Edoardo Mapelli Mozzi celebrated their daughter Sienna turning 2 today. Neither Beatrice nor Eugenie's children, August and Ernest, are entitled to British royal titles as they are not grandchildren of the monarch. King Charles is the great-uncle. But it looks like young Sienna, unlike her cousins, is actually eligible for a royal title, and it's all thanks to her dad Edo. Edo is actually an Italian count, which means his children also inherit a count or countess title. His father, Count Alessandro Mapelli Mozzi. Who had been over to stay while Beatrice was in Jordan for the wedding of Crown Prince Hussein and Princess Rajwa in June. She explained, "I've managed to really have a bond with Sienna, and guess what my bond is? I give her a little sip of my tea out of my teacup. I put some cold water with it,